Hello everyone, this is DH1C, and today we're going to talk about how to beautifully use a white background with glass. Okay, let's start. First, of course, we import our object. I always measure the dimensions to make sure it's not too big and to position the light correctly. Then I create our favorite white cyclorama. Everyone can do it their own way. You don't have to follow exactly what I do. And once the cyclorama is ready, I insert the camera and set the angle to 90 degrees for a perfect frontal view. Of course, you can play around with different angles. Personally, I make the frame square and add borders to ensure perfect composition. Now let's move on to lighting. I set up a large soft light so the glass reflects it gently. Glass requires precision. Harsh light can ruin the volume. The light should be positioned so that your object stands out with a nice light contrast. Next, I add a shader to the glass, and now it's starting to look like something. We play background with the background and lightning. Then I place a circular light behind the glass for contrast, and of course a soft box. I make the softbox manually in Photoshop. If you want it, let me know in the comments, I'll send it to you. Now we integrate the softbox and use it as a light source, then start experimenting. Feel free to adjust it to your liking. The main goal is to make it look beautiful. I do it in a way that I think looks best. I remove the floor to later add a new glass floor for reflections. After playing around with the softbox, I add new floor for the glass reflection. You can also experiment here. The reason I emphasize this process is that with this method of studio setup and lighting, you can work with different objects and adjust everything accordingly. Practice makes perfect. I've set up the softbox and the scene, but something still seems missing. Of course, it's everyone's favorite depth of field and background blur. To do this, I first add focus point in the camera, adjust it, and observe the effect. Finally, we render the scene and move on to compositing. Here with contrast, remove anything unnecessary or unwanted, and fine tune it. To have separate control over the glass, I render separately, then reinsert it and adjust it along with the background. Now I like how it looks. Thank you, I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. See you!